In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a moving average in TradingView. This tool is a fantastic way to smooth out price data and create an easily interpretable trend line that reflects the direction of an asset's price over time. Let's get started by jumping right into the platform. First, you want to make sure you're on the TradingView website and logged into your account. Once you're there, head over to the chart section, which is where all your analysis will take place. If you're new to TradingView, you can easily find the charts by navigating through the menu at the top of the page. Once you have your chart open, the next step is to locate and click on the Indicators button. This button is crucial as it opens up a world of analytical opportunities. On the TradingView interface, you'll usually find it hovering around the top of your chart panel. Clicking on it will bring up a search tool, which is what we'll use next. With the Indicators panel open, type in the letters MA into the search bar. MA stands for Moving Average, and it's a commonly used technical indicator, so typing those initials should quickly narrow down the list. After you've entered MA, you will see a list of different types of moving averages pop up. From this list, you'll want to select Moving Average Simple. The simple moving average is one of the most straightforward indicators to use and interpret, making it a great starting point. Once you've selected it, you will notice it automatically adds itself to your chart, overlaying the existing price data. Next, it's time to fine-tune this moving average to fit your specific needs. You'll need to find the settings icon, which usually appears as a little gear icon next to the indicator title on your chart. Clicking on this will open up the settings menu for the moving average. Within this menu, you'll want to look for the input that allows you to set the period of your moving average. Here, we're going to type in the number 20. This adjusts the moving average to reflect the previous 20 bars on your chart, offering you a medium-term view of market trends. After setting the period, it's time to give your moving average some style. Click on the Style tab within the settings. This allows you to choose both the color and thickness of your line, helping it stand out against the rest of your chart data. Pick a color that you're comfortable with, ensuring it's visible on your chart background and won't blend into other price lines. And there you have it, a moving average that's customized to your preferences. It's ready to use as part of your trading analysis. By following these steps, you'll have a valuable tool at your fingertips, capable of providing insights into market trends and aiding your decision-making process. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.